welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to little maintenance on your car in case you need to change the wipers or the wiper fluid or the 12-volt auxiliary battery in the trunk. I'm going to show you guys on how to remove them or where's the location at and stuff, and how to install the wipers. So as you can see, the wipers are hidden under the hood. I'm going to show you guys where is it located at and how to get it out. So you can see the wipers are tucked in there. So these are the special wipers, okay? You could defrost the snow. Well, I'm gonna go to the other side. So yeah, you're gonna come around this passenger side right here and kind of hold this right here. Just yank it out slowly. And eventually both of them is going to come out. And just like that. There is a button right here. You need to press down to disengage it. Okay? And you got to slide it out. So you will need to use both hands. You got to be careful. There's a strap. There's like a plastic clamp right here. It's clamping the wiring and stuff, okay? And then the hose. So as you can see, there's like a wire connection for the defroster, and then the middle one right here is for the tube. So this is kind of tricky because it's tilted in the angle, so sometimes it doesn't want to unlock it. See, if you press it down like that, it's not going to go. So you need to yank it open like that, so enough room to disengage it, okay? And you got to be careful, the wiper arm is made out of metal. So in case you accidentally let it go, and then it's going to crack your windshield, okay? You need to replace it, so it's very dangerous. So make sure you do this at your own risk. You could also put like a towel under it in case the wiper accidentally comes on and scratch your windshield wiper. Scratch your windshield. Make sure the wiper is in the off position. So you just get the new one from the service center, and you could install it yourself. So yeah, you need to lift it up, and you need to lift up the whole arm. It's much better. So yeah, I wonder if it's the same size. Let me check. Normally the passenger is shorter. So yeah, as you can see, the passenger is shorter by a couple inches. When you want to insert it, make sure this one goes down first and insert in. When you're done, then just tuck it in. Make sure you tuck in all the way, or else when you open the hood, you're gonna break the wipers, okay? So in order to change the fluid, you need to open your hood. And right here is the fluid location right here. Should be easy. You just pour your windshield fluid in there, and that's it. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't show any level. Just gonna fill it up until you see some fluid in there. That's it. So yeah, in case you need to change the auxiliary battery, there'll be this one right here. By the way, there are two of the auxiliary battery. One is behind the bench seat that you need to take out the whole bench in order to discover that one. So I'm going to show you this one right here. You just need to take out the cover. Right here is like a towing kit for the front, in case you need to tow it. There's the cover, or the storage cover down there. You need to remove the whole thing just by prying upward. So yeah, you can disengage this 12-volt cigarette adapter just by unplugging it. And there's a RJ45. That's where the technician or the service guy hook up the computer to do some upgrade or see what's wrong with the car. There's like this is the battery right here. Need to unscrew that. It's like a 2-bolt. One is covering right here, and then the tie down. You gotta use the Allen key. One here, one over there. You gotta disengage this plug by pressing this button right here. And here are all the fuses down there. There's a fuse puller right here, that white one. And then that's it. I'm not sure which is fuses to what. There's no instruction on this or a cover to explain it. So some of the ECU, there's one here, one behind there. And in order to move the bench, you gotta sit in there while you try to pry upward. I hear a click. Do the other side. Now you can move the whole bench. You gotta put the seatbelt in the buckle. Wow, look at that. So yeah, if it's dirty like this, you can take out the bench and then clean it or wipe it down. So I got the seat belt. Make sure you put it together while I try to tuck it in again. That's the other one. And this is the battery right here. So yeah, make sure you remove those two mounting screw. Looks like a 10 millimeter. Another one right here. And after that, you should be able to remove it. There's a hook right here that's hooked into the place. And then you'll be able to remove the battery and then remove those positive and negative terminal. It's negative right here, positive on this side. And that's how you change the 2 at the 12-volt battery and then doing your service for your windshield wipers and fluid. So yeah, be sure to align those 3 buckles. Make sure you hook it. There's a hook on the inside right there. Make sure you see. Well, make sure you hook it. There's a hook right there. You will see it. And then make sure that thing is gonna sit right there, so you clip it in there on both sides. Let's see on this side. Okay. And then he's just gonna sit on top of it until he hear a click. And on this side. And then that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.